morning, students. Today we're going to program using a Visual Studio 2010. To start, make sure that you already open your Visual Studio 2010. Here, I open already my Visual Studio 2010, so I can now start to build and make a simple program. To start, you need to go to File, select New Project, and a form you will see here an installed templates. So what you're going to select is a Visual Basic, then click Windows. As you can see here, we have Windows Form. What you're going to do is rename or name your project. So I'm going to name it as a simple program and click OK. So a form was being created. So let us try to work in this form. So you can resize the form by dragging it down or vertically or horizontally. Okay, so what we're going to do is click at Tools. What if, teacher, I accidentally close the toolbox? What should I do? So what you're going to do is click this icon, which is a toolbox, and again the toolbox properties will be displayed. So what we're going to do is click Label, drag it on your form. So the name of this label is Label 1. So let us try to change the caption or the text of Label 1 into surname. So to make your work easy, what you're going to do is to click the Label 1 and press Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V. Then we're going to create two more. So paste, Ctrl V and Ctrl V. Okay, so let us try to design like this. So again, we're going to rename this. Click the second label, which is naming as Label 2. Change the text or the caption into first name. Okay, same with this Label 3 and Label 4. So let us rename. Sorry, it's already surname. Then the other one is first name. So let us try to add another tool, which is the text box. So again, drag it in your form. So this text box name text box 1, but I'll change this to or rename it to TXT surname. Then click again text box 1, or we rename it to TXT surname, and press Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus Victory to paste the text box. The next one is we need to rename this text box into TXT first name. So another tool that we need is a button. So what we're going to do is click the button, then the name of this button is button 1, and we're going to name it as BTN click. So you can still remain it button 1, but it's easy for you to identify the object when it comes to coding. That is why you name it as a button click. Then we are going to rename the text or the caption into click me example. Okay, so what is the objective of this form? The objective of this form or activity is whatever you input on your text box, and after you click the button or BTN click, the content of this text boxes will be displayed on this label, which is Label 4 and Label 5. Okay, so we can rename this as Label 3 as LBL surname, and the other one we have LBL first name. sorry, first name. So let's just try to proceed on a coding. So double click the button so that you can proceed to a coding or uh, viewing of code, no? So as you can see here, we have btn click. It's easy for you to recognize that you are under a button click, no? So again, we're going to display the content of our text box on label 3 and label 4, which we rename label 3 as LBL surname and label 4 is LBL first name. So let's try to type LBL, click this one, surname dot text is equals to, again, the content of text box. So we name it as txt surname dot text, then press enter, then LBL first name dot text is equals to txt first name dot text. So let us try to look at what will be the output of this. So click this green arrow, or let's start debugging, or you can press F5, no? And you will see here a form will be pop up. Okay, so what the objective I mentioned a while ago, that whatever you input in this text boxes and click this button, it will be displayed on this label. So let us try to write example, Cruz Marie, then click me. So as you can see here, the text that we have here displayed on this label. So that's it for today's video.